After watching this entire video, I guarantee you that if you have a bad habit like masturbation, you will stop believing. Today, many people are suffering from this masturbation. The damage is more than you think. Science proves that there is no harm in it, but in Islam, it is proved that it is a forbidden act and you will be punished for it in this world. And its damage is also very high. Never continue this habit thinking that the damage will not happen overnight. It will take some time. If we talk about damage, then masturbation destroys the mind. Your IQ level can be destroyed. It destroys the ability to learn and life become totally depressing in the way. What is the final solution? See how you start any task first. Desire is a natural process and cannot be stopped, but the solution is given by Islam is marriage. When a person gets married, he is saved from all sin. But the question is how to control it. Just as you have gotten used to doing it, you will have to get used to letting it go. And the human mind is so sharp that it has the ability to acquire or leave anything. The first thing you need to do is to stay away from porn because it is the source of many sin. Devil will tell you to do it once and then leave. The devil will say do it at last, then repent. He will not do it after today. Devil makes you dizzy and make you sin for the rest of your life. Now how can you avoid doing it whenever your heart desires? You see at this point that I am getting used to living it. For example, if you commit this sin 5 times in 7 days and you have to think that I have to do it 2 or 3 times in 7 days. If you get into the habit of quitting, it will gradually you can quit. There will come a time when you can completely quit, but that too if you try. If you are committing this sin 10 times a month, reduce it to 5 or 3 times. This process may take you a while, but you can quit. And you can add the work you want to get used to and pray to Allah every day, or may Allah forgive me of this sin. Read the prayer. What will happen? You will not go to sin.